Welcome to Hope, where we are dedicated to being your best partner, focusing on the design, manufacturing, and export of bags. With 15 years of industry experience, we serve global retailers, wholesalers, the hotel, restaurant, and catering industry, HoReCa, and manufacturers. Accumulating rich air production experience and having worked with famous brands such as Zara, Parfois, Sfera, New Look, Vox, Disney, and Walmart. Our professional team consists of 46 bag technical engineers and over 8 skilled workers who work on handmade production lines and sewing production lines, ensuring that each product meets the highest standards. Moreover, our production capacity is also exceptional. We have ISA 0 production lines for handbags and crossbody bags, with a monthly output of up to 80,000 pieces. Other production lines, including wallets, evening bags, children's backpacks, men's backpacks, and outdoor backpacks, also maintain efficient output. To ensure competitive pricing, we implement an effective production management system, shipping at least 25-40-foot-high container loads every month, and designing our own molds, tools, and packaging materials. Quality is our unwavering commitment, with 78 team members strictly adhering to AE and inspection processes and standards, ensuring that every link is impeccable. Furthermore, our in-house raw material and finished product testing laboratory further guarantees product quality. Innovation is the driving force that propels us forward. A strong the team composed of 12 industrial designers, 63 designers, and 15 accessory designers can complete the production of new material samples within 15 days. And newly developed samples are ready in just 3 to 7 days. All these efforts are carried out under sophisticated factory management and processing system. We have obtained Ya 9,000 at isa, Ya 14,000 at isa, YA, SEDEX, and DASI certifications, and have passed factory audits from buyers such as Walmart, Disney, and Inditex. Choosing Hope means choosing quality, efficiency, and innovation. Let's join hands to create better future.